Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show the demo of BriskBase laundry software. First, you have to log in with your username password. This is the main dashboard screen. The main dashboard screen, from the right side, you can see the system, your profile settings. You can change the password, backup, and restore. System reset settings. System users can create SMS settings, POS settings, and system settings. And the next one is reports. The daily reports, you can see the day end report. You can see other items, item wise sales, group wise sales, customer report, cancel bill, purchase report, expense report, and profitable report, and SMA reports. The next one is the transactions. Transaction here, this is the POS, the main screen of the POS where you will make the orders. And this is a separate carpet invoice system. Here, separately, you can manage the carpet. You can add the carpet width, size, and rate. You can decide whatever. This is the branch sales, purchase invoice, expense invoice, and the next one is the master. In the master, you can manage the items, you can manage the groups, you can manage the customers, customer branch, suppliers, purchase masters, expense master, office branch, and SMS templates. So I will start from the system settings. From the system settings here, you have to add your uh, shop name, your telephone number, mobile number, system logo will show or no. You can choose your logo, your email address, and the password. And the POS settings, in the POS settings, you can set the bill number reset on daily, monthly, yearly, or continuously. Here, the local item name enable, I make, you can set as per your requirements. This is the invoice message. This is the terms and condition that will print on your invoice. Okay, so I will tell you how to make order, and how to manage the order. So simply is very simple. First, you have to come on the POS screen here. Okay, and for example, customer bring the uh, one jeans. Okay, so you can search here the jean pant. So here I make two services only, and also you can add more services. This is a press, and this is a washings. So pressing and washing have two services. Okay, I set the rate 200 paisa. Okay, you can set in the dollars, in other currencies also. Okay, so the next, if the total amount is 200 paisa, for sorry 400 paisa. Okay, so if customer is paying you advance, so then you have to add here the 400 paisa. Okay, so the balance is zero now remaining. If customer is giving to you now nothing, and he will pay you later. Okay, so then you just keep it as it is, like this. Okay, and the total remaining is 400 paisa. So this is the date of delivery date. Okay, which date you will deliver this the items. Okay, and or what time customer, what day and time can customer collect. So that will print on the invoice, the bill. that you will give to the customer. For example, customer will come on 18. This automatically I make that on 3 days. Automatically you can set the days after the date of that delivery date. So now see, you can see here the today is 16. So automatically is the making is 18. Okay, and then the time also which time he can come and collect. Okay, and then also you can add some comments. This is a hanger. If some item there and you are charging for the hanger, and you can add the hanger quantity and the price that will also include in that invoice. And you just have to make save and print. See, now here is not saving because invalid customer contact. You didn't add the customer detail, customer contact number, and his name. Here you can add. If this customer is existing customer, you just have to search his name. For example, this is my existing customer, and he brings some items again. So you just have to search his number automatically, and the name and contact number will show. So if this is the new customer, so you have to add his number and the name only. Okay, and then save and print. So this is a view you can print from here. Okay, this is the view. Your logo here will print, and this is your shop name in your local language. Also, will you can print your business name or email address, whatever you want. You can add here. This is the phone number, and more items, more content you can add in this invoice of the header. So this is the bill number. Bill number is 12. Okay, the bill date. This is the customer name that we added, and this is the number of customer, the item name, the price, quantity, and total. Here's a jean pen for washing, one jean pen for pressing. Total two services. Okay, so here the total is 400 paisa. Total payable amount is 400 paisa. Customer will pay later. So clothes status is not collected. Customer still not collected that um, uh, clothes. Okay, so this is you can see the delivery date and time that you set, delivery date, and this is delivery time. That terms and condition I show you in the settings. You can change and you can edit in your local language and English also. Here the footer message. Okay, so this is the bill. This bill you can give to the customer. Okay, he will keep with him, and one he will come back. For example, this is the bill number is 12. So now he will come after, he's coming after 12 days and to collect the his items. So you have to search from here by his number, bill number, or by his mobile number, or by his name. So if I will search with the bill number 12. Go, see, automatically will show here. If I will search by his name, then automatically also will show his name. So you just have to click on that the person name, customer name, and automatically you can see the all item detail will show. And here you have to add the payment. Okay, you just have to only you can pay, or only you can pay and print. You just have to pay and print. Automatically will show the print. So here you can see this is this payment is done now. Paid amount is 400 paisa. Okay, you can see still is here showing. Okay, why? Because you didn't give the items to the customer, so you have to select this. Okay, and this is collected. Until collected, and that the item will show here. If you will make the change the status of this item, then will and save and print. See, now you can see this is you paid and cloth is collected. The status also has been changed. It's collected. It means customer has taken that items, and also from here is removed. Okay, it's very simple. And same like this, you can make the carpet invoice from here. These all the reports, daily sale report. You can say this is a Nasser. He paid this 400 paisa. This is unpaid invoice. Okay, and also from the filter you can check that daily by customer or daily paid paid amount and unpaid amount. You can see. See, now it's showing only paid. And also you can make prints. Hope you can understand. This is very simple and easy to manage your laundry services. Thanks for watching.